A snack that is filled with carb, protein and micronutrients can be a great addition to a healthy day. Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and today I'm going to share a very simple baked cutlet recipe. And to make the recipe, first in a pan I will take 1 cup of carrots and green beans cut into pieces. Next I will add 1 cup of green peas, frozen or fresh, whichever is available, and 1.5 cup of cabbage and cauliflowers cut into pieces. And then I will add half a cup of beetroot diced straight into the pan. To this now I will add half a cup of water for cooking and then salt to taste, around half a teaspoon, and I will put this on the stove and cover it for that nice proper cooking and cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat or till it's cooked to the perfection. Make sure not to overcook, as we are going to chop the vegetables later to make the cutlets. Once done, turn off the stove and let it to cool down. As you can see that all the water is evaporated and is looking perfect. Now transfer these boiled vegetables into a chopper or a grater to grate the vegetables. And to this I will add half a cup of rolled oats. This will act as a thickening agent and will add a little bit of thickness to the cutlets, and half a cup of gram flour or the besan, which will act as a binding agent. Next I will add handful of coriander leaves for that nice aroma and flavor, and then I will add salt to taste, just 1/4 teaspoon, as we have already added salt to the vegetables, and then 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, or you can also add some finely chopped green chilies if you like the spicy bites in your cutlets. Then 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, but do not add curry powder to this recipe as it may add up some strong pungent smell to the cutlets. And finally, a little bit of freshly ground black pepper powder. I will finish with 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, as baking can make the cutlets dry. Adding oil will give some moisture to the recipe. Once done, turn on the chopper and finely chop all the ingredients. Just take this out, and as you can see, this is looking perfect. The consistency is more like paste because of the oats that I added, but don't worry, it's great. Adding the potatoes would have given this a dough-like consistency, making it easier to shape them into cutlets. With paste kind of consistency, it's difficult to make the cutlets, but after baking, they come out perfect. Now transfer this thick batter into a bowl and cover it with an airtight seal and refrigerate it for at least 30 to 40 minutes to set. This will help in shaping the cutlets nicely. So it's been 40 minutes now, and it's time to shape the batter. And for that, in a baking tray, spray some olive oil or grease the pan with some cooking oil. And then on palm, take a little bit of batter and shape it as you want and place it over the tray. Or you can also directly shape it on the tray. Don't worry about the consistency. Once this is baked, you will get the perfect and soft cutlets. Now make all the cutlets and place them on the tray. Spray some oil on the top of it so that they are not dry. And put it in the oven to bake on 380 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Once done, take it out and serve hot. It's just perfect, a little crisp from outside and soft and chewy from inside. The carb from oats, the protein from gram flour, and goodness of vegetables. A perfect healthy snack. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. I'm sure you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health and food related topics, visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.